Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got a brand new radio for you. I'm gonna apologize ahead of time. This radio has so many features, I get confused. So there's going to be some confusion in this video. Actually, what do you expect from somebody that's 80 years old? So, yeah, I know some of you are thinking, yeah, you're always confused, Tom. So we're gonna move on. This came from GOOZEEZOO, and it's a TEF6686 based radio. Those have been around for over a year in various forms. Most of them are much, much larger than this, and they have like keypads and stuff like this. This is tiny. It measures only 4.5 inches, 2.5 inches, and 1 inch. Fits in the palm of your hand. I'm on shortwave right now, of course, and it comes with a fairly short telescopic antenna. I'm guessing that is because they're concerned about a heavy antenna breaking this connector. So shortwave reception is not too good. And for some reason, the bands at my location this week have been dead. So this is WWCR out of Tennessee. So it's not doing too bad. I did a band scan. It has ATS function, and it only got about 4 stations. Not surprising using this 18-inch telescopic antenna. I have another antenna, this one here. It's very heavy, but it's twice as long, and the reception is much better, but you have to be extremely careful that you don't break that connector off. So this is the antenna it comes with. Comes with a stylus because it has a touch screen. Wow. I mean, this is only $80 on Amazon. I can't believe it. Comes with the charging cable, has a built-in 1,000 milliamp hour battery. This also can be used to change the firmware, which with the help of GOOZEEZOO, I was able to do and get some of the other functions I wanted. Again, this thing is fairly complicated. And when I say complicated, it has so many features. And this is the manual it comes with. That's it. There's nothing about what all these symbols are and everything, nothing. Now, what I was able to do was I went online and researched some of the other radios based on this technology, and I found a pretty good manual that has pictures of all the symbols and what they mean, and talks about all these sub-menus, which this does not. So I was able to actually get the thing to work, and it's working great. One thing that really surprised me, and I'm going to move my camera so I can zoom in, is over here, it has a headphone jack, and this, see if I can get my camera, see this little thing here? That's the speaker. Yeah, that's the speaker. And then this is the USB port. Metal, not plastic, metal case. 2 nice knobs. This is on-off volume. This is mainly tuning, but other functions. Let's see, I'm kind of tighten that antenna up. Set it back down. The screen is awesome. My camera doesn't do it justice. It is super bright, super clear, and it's got lots of information. Here's the S meter, modulation meter, signal strength and a number. Whether the squelch is on, it's got squelch on and off, and you can adjust it. Sleep timer, a date, which I have not set, date and time. And then when you do, let me see if I can go to FM. Go to band, band. Band is the bottom button. This is mode, and this is bandwidth. Go to band. Well, it's searching. Okay, I've changed something, so now this button there. No, don't want that. As I say, I'm going to make a lot of mistakes. Let me get my stylus. Let's go to FM. There we go. Now I should be there. Okay, now we're there. Normally, you just push the band button, but I changed something, so I've changed what that button is used for. Yes, it's difficult, but it's fun. So in FM, you have all these other options. You have an equalizer, you have auto bandwidth, or you can set the bandwidth. We're in manual mode right now, so which means use this to tune.
And they're no stranger
there we go.
Raising money for causes close to their hearts. On Sunday, their pop-up event,
strong and clear, wow.
Easy Kava and Kratom Bar will feature select musical numbers.
And then you can see all the RDS information. This is the station at WSF in Tampa, which, let me turn the volume down, got plenty of volume, which I use as my test station in that it's about 40 miles from me, FM, of course. And it's not real high power. It's got a lot of power, but not real high power. So if a radio can receive that station, then I know the radio's a good radio. Okay. You can see the bandwidth is changing here automatically. And this symbol here indicates that it's receiving a stereo broadcast.
There's a lot that goes into that, but Florida remains an important destination for cruise expedition. There's not really a need to add another
care facilities to private duty nursing and long-term physical and speech
it picks up
solutions.
I think when I did a band scan, it picked up 28 stations. What was I going to say? Oh, yeah. So you can see all the information it gets off of the RDS data. Now we can try to go to, here we go. Now we're in band select mode. There's long wave. It has long wave. It has FM, AM, long wave, short wave. The short wave is 1.7 megahertz to 27 megahertz. I wish it went to 30, but it only goes to 27 for some reason. We don't care about long wave. There's medium wave, or the AM band. This struggles a little bit because it just has a built-in antenna, and this is a pretty small radio, so the antenna is pretty small. We can see what we can find here. Getting a lot of noise. Okay, I got the step size. Is that the step size now? No, that's bandwidth. I need to change the step size because it's not tuning. Yeah, it's tuning it, I think, 9 kilohertz instead of 10. So I would have to change that somewhere in some menu. Let's try an ATS. Let me see how I get to it. Should hold the mode down and auto search. And I want to change the band. This is where you have to change the search band or the ATS band on this screen. There's air, there's FM, long wave, medium wave. So now it's going to search a medium wave band. So I'm going to turn the search on. Now it's searching on. Unfortunately, I forgot to change. Let me see if I can figure it out. AM settings. It should be in there. There it is. Step size 10. That's what we want. Okay. Now we'll go back and we'll go to search. And it's on medium wave and we'll search. And there we go. So it's finding strong signals, but I think they're mostly noise. Yeah. We'll see. That didn't take long. Okay, 620, that's its station. Let me rotate it. No, I didn't help much. Oh, I think it's using the telescopic antenna. Oh, that's interesting. Let's see what else we can get. Okay, there we go.
I don't know, 20 plus million, maybe more. It seems like an exorbitant number even for ABC. It seems that they're set to lose a great amount of money if they're not able to come up with anything. But I don't see how they can throw a team. We are a society of budget recommendations.
I found quite a few. Not as many as it should.
Once he converted to Christianity.
So,
It's not really that big a deal, but once
medium wave performance is not too good. Probably, well, not probably, most likely, it would be much better if I was outside away from all this electronic noise I got in my office. Also, it appears, yeah, it's using the telescopic antenna.
I can tell you right now, that bitch got crazy eyes. I mean, look, that bitch is full-blown, batshit crazy.
So,
I was surprised to find out that she's surprised. I thought that it was like the
FM,
she was one of the,
let's go to band.
I know. I don't even think she's that hot, do you?
No, I'm in a different mode now, so this button is, oh, I was pushing the wrong button. Band. There's shortwave, and I do want to do that. FM, that's what I wanted. Okay. Perfect on short, FM. Does seem to be a little sensitive to, yeah. Oh, okay, there we go.
Just one voice and a whole lot
Oh, I got, oh my, I probably screwed up there. I probably got a hit, probably going to get a hit. I let the music play too long. YouTube is really cracking down on videos that got music in it. I just recently had one of my videos uncommercialized because I had music on there that I played for 10 seconds. Oh well, no big deal. I do this for fun anyway. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. I hope I've covered everything that I can think of initially. I mean, there's so many things that I'm going to do a series of shows on this, showing the various features. I love this. Whoops. Yep. Get camera. Show's over. I love this RDS information that comes through. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I wish you would. Have a great day. Bye-bye.